Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have one exercise. Solve this equation. The double equation is 4 power h minus 4 power square root h plus 1 equal 3 multiply 2 powers h plus square root 8. Do you know how to solve this? If you know, please do it. When you do it already, please come back to watch my video from beginning to the end to verify your solution. And before we go to the solution, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting video. Okay, now we go to the solution together. Okay, we see our equation. This have power 8 and this power square root 8. So before we go to solve this equation, we must check the condition. That condition is h must be positive or equal 0. Okay, now to solve this equation, I take this term from the right hand side to the left hand side. So this I can be write is 4 and power 8 and this minus 3 and multiply to power 8 plus square root 8 and minus this 4 and power square root 8 and plus 1 is equal 0. And for this, I can be write this 2 and power 2a. And in this, I can be write plus this 2 and power 8 plus square root 8 and minus 4 and multiply this 2 and power 8 plus square root 8. You see this term is the same. So this 1 minus 4 is equal minus 3. And minus this, I can write 4 and multiply this 4 power square root 8 is equal 0. But if we use the formulas, then we know that if a power m and multiply a power n is equal a power m plus n. This power 1, to multiply this, we get 1 plus square root 8. Okay, so now for this, can we write this 2 and power 8 and multiply this 2 and power 8. And we multiply this, we get 8 plus 8 is equal to 8. And this, we get 2 power 8 and multiply this 2 and power square root 8 and minus this 4 and multiply this 2 and power this. I can be write is power 8 and multiply this 2 power square root 8 and minus 4 and multiply this 4 power square root 8. I can be write 2 and power 2 square root 8 is equal to 0. And for this, we see this 2 power 8 and this also 2 power 8. So now this I take 2 power 8 out of factor. So we get this 2 power 8. I multiply this 2 power 8 and plus this 2 and power square root 8. And this minus, we take 4 out. This we get this 2 power 8 and multiply this 2 power square root 8. And this we get plus. Because this we take minus 4 out of factor. So with this we get plus. This I can write this 2 power square root 8 and multiply this 2 power square root 8 equals 0. If we take this, we get this square root 8 plus square root 8, we get 2 square root 8. And we see this the same. So this we can take it out of factor. So now this we get this 2 and power 8 and multiply this 2 power 8 and plus this 2 and power square root 8. And minus this we get 4 and multiply 2 and power square root 8 and multiply 2 power 8 and plus this 2 power square root 8 equals 0. We see it the same. So this we can take it out of factor. So we get this 2 power 8 plus 2 power square root 8 and multiply this 2 and power 8 minus 4 and multiply 2 power square root 8 equals 0. So we see this have two factors equal 0. But we know that 2 power 8 is positive and 2 power square root 8 also positive. So this we get this 2 power 8 plus 2 power square root 8 is also positive. And so now this we get this equals 0. So this we get 2 power 8 minus 4 multiply 2 power square root 8 is equals 0. And then this I take it to the right hand side. So I get 2 power 8 equal 4 multiply 2 power square root 8. And for this we get 2 power 8 equal 2 squares and multiply this 2 power square root 8. And this we get this 2 power 8 equal to power 2 plus square root 8. We see this have the basic to the same. So if we take the powers is equal to power, then we get this 8 equal 2 and plus square root 8. And then I change it from the right hand side to the left hand side. So this equation I can rewrite it as a minus square root 8 and minus 2 equals 0. And so now this I can be y is square root 8 squared and minus square root 8 and minus 2 equals 0. So now I let it the new variable. This I let t equals square root 8. And so we get this t squared equal 8. And we know t is must be positive. Or it can be equal 0. Okay. For now this we replace in this equation, we get this t squared and minus t and minus 2 equals 0. For this equation, you see this, we get this 1, and this minus 1, and this minus 2. Okay, let's see. Okay, see this 1 plus minus 1 and minus 2 is not this 0, but it's I write this minus 1 is equals 1 plus 1 minus 2 is equals 0. So it's verify the formula that a minus b plus c is equals 0. So for this we get this t is equals minus 1 and this t is equals minus c divided by a n equals minus 2 and divided by 1 and equal 2. But now this t is equals minus 1 we not take it. So now we use this. The t is equals square root 8. So we get this square root 8 equal 2. And now I raise both sides of this equation to squares. We get this 8 equal 4. Now it's positive. So now this, we get the values of 8 equal 4. So this 8 equal 4 is our solution. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting video. Goodbye. See you next video.